Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of September. If you're unfamiliar with the OG or the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is a $14 monthly beauty subscription service where you receive 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we do get lucky and get full size items, you guys, for 14 bucks. I always feel like I get the best bang for my buck, and I really enjoy getting the Ipsy Glam bag, and I still do get my paid for bag, even though I do get PR from Ipsy. So first up, right on top or out of the bag, is the Pinky Bee Beauty, the Beauty Sponge, and that is hot pink, and I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, pink and yellow. And I've actually been using up the illuminating primer we got from them recently. So I'm excited to have that. I don't always use a sponge as far as for application, but once I apply all of my foundation, powder products, and stuff like that, I use setting spray, and I will lightly press in the products using a sponge. The bag this month I love. I think it is beautiful. It does have a beautiful kind of lucite zipper pull. I'm not going to take that off because I already have one obviously from my PR, so I will stick this in a package for my resale group. I do have a resale group over on Facebook, and it is always linked. All right, first up in the actual bag is the by Roe New York Tea Time Chamomile Tea Face Cleaner. That sounds amazing. And their oil, their like hair serum oil, is my favorite. It's lovely. I got a sample of it, or like a smaller version, in an Ipsy, and then I bought a full size one. So love, fantastic. Next up is another Benefit Fan Fest. I did also get one in my paid for bag. I really love this mascara. If you like volume and a little bit of like lift and curl, it is fantastic. I don't get flaking, and it lasts a really long time, and it does wonders on my lashes. It looks stunning. Next up is the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. I believe I did also get this in my PR package. And I do have very dry textured skin, larger pores, so anything that's kind of glowy and illuminating and stuff like that, I'm all for it. And then last up in my bag is the Shayna B Miami liquid highlighter in the shade Nude Beach. That is definitely going to be a little bit too deep for my skin tone, so I will pass that along. So we got 2 makeup products, a makeup tool, and then 2 more skincare type products. I think that that is a really good balance of the products. I am going to go ahead. I did not demo this for you guys. I've demoed it multiple times because I've purchased full sizes of this. But because I do have an extra now, I will go ahead and demo this for you. So I will demo this for you. I will do one side and get up close and personal and show you how it looks up close. And typically it's going to have the theming on this card, and then you would typically open this up and it would give us pertinent details about the actual products in your bag. I personally wish they would just save this if they're not going to do that. I like personally having the information in here, cost for the full size, so on and so forth. So I am going to curl my lashes really quickly, if I can find my lash curler. And I'm going in with my REFERRAL lash curler. Let me curl my lashes and I'll speed this part up, and then we'll get up close. All right, there's one coat. I did get a little sloppy with it. I do apologize, but hello. One of my favorites. It is stunning. All right, that is it, you guys. Let me know if we are bag twins this month. I would like to know how you feel about Ipsy and what are your favorite subscription boxes. I would like to test a few, especially kind of moving into the new year. I really want to dip my toes in some different boxes, so comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you for being here. I hope you'll consider subscribing. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.